Chào mừng bạn đến với chương trình học từ vựng tiếng Anh trực tuyến trên kênh Hoàng Yến English. Bài 72. Chủ đề: nhạc cụ.
Musical instruments.
Musical instruments.
Đàn piano.
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 The piano has 88 keys and is often called the king of instruments.
Đàn guitar.
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 The world's most expensive guitar was sold for $6 million.
Đàn vĩ cầm.
Violin.
Violin. A violin string is usually made from metal, nylon, or even animal gut.
Trống.
Drum.
Drum.
Drummers burn more calories per hour than most athletes. Playing the drum is a workout.
Sáo.
Flute.
Flute.
The flute is one of the oldest instruments, over 40,000 years old.
Kèn trompet.
Trumpet.
Trumpet.
The sound of a trumpet can travel over a kilometer in open air.
Kèn saxophone.
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 The saxophone is often linked with jazz but was originally made for military bands.
Đàn phong cầm.
Accordion.
Accordion.
The accordion is called a one-man band because it plays melody and rhythm together.
Đàn sen lô.
Cello.
Cello.
A cello can play both deep bass and sweet melody. It's very versatile.
Kèn harmonica.
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 The harmonica is one of the easiest instruments to carry in your pocket.
Bài học của chúng ta hôm nay đến đây là hết. Cảm ơn bạn đã học cùng chúng tôi. Hãy like và đăng ký kênh để tìm hiểu những điều thú vị hơn nhé. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.